Introducing Poly Studio E70, a first-of-its-kind intelligent camera that brings large conference rooms and boardrooms to life. The small footprint provides a big crystal-clear experience, all designed around the dual cameras with 4K sensors. The real magic of the Studio E70 is Poly Director AI technology, Poly's automatic speaker tracking experience to make sure everyone in the room is seen clearly. Poly Director AI is powered by the E70's dual camera system and intelligent microphones to pinpoint the speakers in the room. Advanced algorithms leverage the two high-resolution cameras to direct the viewing experience with dynamic selectable modes. Group framing mode eliminates empty space by framing the people in the room and adjusts if more people enter. And speaker tracking mode provides a fully immersive, directed experience by seamlessly cutting, panning and zooming to keep remote attendees engaged in the natural flow of conversation. The E70 also includes positionally aware microphones that drive Poly Noise Block AI technology to reduce unwanted sounds and distractions. And a motorized integrated electronic shutter provides split-second privacy on demand. Poly Studio E70. Supercharge your meeting rooms with an unrivaled video experience, perfect for hybrid working environments.